Hi guys, so today I'm back with my another gaming video of Minecraft Craftsman or Mastercraft. Sorry, I just forget my lines. Yeah, okay, so nowadays my bad luck has came. First I got my memory erased by mistake, and after that I was on survival mode with the safest house I've ever made, and that house, I just got killed, and the place where I spawned back was just too much far away. So after that I was not broke from inside, so I rebuilt it, and I'm thinking of building 1 2 3 4 5 again. If you don't know what was 1 2 3 4 5, it was name of my one of my worlds. uh, the world which was basically made in which there were the penthouse that I showed you, and the small farms, yeah, the tree house, the big obsidian walls, like that all. So today, and like as I said, I am not broke from inside, so I built it again and made the world's safest house again, like as you can see. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is the house. Like first I'll show you its exteriors. Oh man, I don't want to be here. Yeah, okay, so this whole building is made up of flintstone. After that there's all the cobwebs around. Like if someone anyhow gets up in here, he gets caught by the cobwebs and he can't come in. And this um, these were just only the what can we say, the walls of endstone. As at first you will be thinking that this was only my house, so no, it wasn't. It is just a wall. After when we get inside, is here all these oak leaves. Like these are just for greenery. If you live inside a house made up of walls, and you can't go outside eventually, all the time you can't be outside as there are monsters and you want to be safe, then you think that there should be much more greenery. But if there is a creeper around and he blows up, so anyone can easily come from the ground. So I also completed the ground with the stone, and after that I thought, wow, I don't even have anything to see. So after that I made these oak leaves all around the borders, which make like a very pretty much like a modern house structure. Looks so good. And after that is my igloo, we can say. Yeah, obsidian igloo with a spruce door. When we get inside, here's my enchantment table, my azure ballet uh, flower, and after that is my chest. There are different chests for different purposes. Like this one is for all types of weapons and that all armors. Then after that, this is for mining. For mining there must be a pickaxe, which I am having in my hands right now, so that's why it wasn't here. It's like evening. Yeah, it's evening. Better hurry up. Yeah, after that is this one, in which there are all the grains. Like you will think that I first went to creative mode and then got all these. Like I am also amazed, but still I got all of these on my own. Yeah, by uh, what can we say, like taking off the grass from the ground. So after that I got seeds, like sometimes you get them, and from those I made this one. And in this one is my inventory. Like all of these cookies bookies, I got them from creative mode. And these apples, all of these apples I got on my own. Yeah. And after that, this is a chest for simple things. Sometimes you kill a spider and you get a spider eye and spring, but you don't want it, you want something very precious. So this chest is just like a dustbin. Yeah, wait. What am I ingots doing here? Okay, so I just showed you. This is the another chest which I have got. In this, there are all types of precious things, like all of these redstones. Now you will again think that I got on creative, so no. Yeah, I not got on creative mode, but I made many mines, like thousand of mines, like not thousand. And after that I went to the middle of the earth and saw that how many redstone ore there were, and also coal ore, like coal ore is all around. And there I also got emerald ore, but I don't want emerald ore. Like in this game which I am playing right now on my PC, doesn't allows like to make a sword out of emeralds, or I would like, or then my aim would be to find emeralds only. Right now I'm trying to find diamonds. After that, yeah, these golden ingots, those also I got on my own. After that, this one does not work. Yeah, okay, so I think this much was only for this much time. Like I'll just eat 2 steaks, and after that I'll sleep, and then after that I'll show you that whatever I do next. It just takes so much time to sleep. Yeah, okay. So here are my item frames in which I have all of my weapons and armors I've got. After that, I'm like, sometimes you want to just check on like what's going on outside. So at night time you can't go outside. So I just use this. Oh, there are skeletons. Like you would be thinking, why do I need skeletons? So yeah, I need them for my farms which I'm going to make today in front of you only. He just gave us some um, what do we say then? The arrows, yeah. And gunpowder, yeah, you would be thinking like, why do I have gunpowder in my hands? Because I'm trying to make a TNT of my own, but there are not enough creepers all around, and if they are, like, I'm not then able to kill them. Yeah, that is a big problem. Okay, so let's just put them in. Here will go the bones. Yeah. Oh, it's good. Hey, why do I need a pickaxe? I don't want to. Hey, not into this also. I need a axe right now. Yeah, as because I'll be going to do just to cut off some trees. Yeah, and as I was going to say, like today is 17th 9/20. Okay, so you will get all like the next two, like I've been thinking all about of that, how to keep a balance between all of those Hindi and English videos. So now I've got, like, I'm thinking that I'll be making 2 videos on Hindi, and after that 2 videos in English. Like this only I'll be making all of my videos. And if you want, like, there's anyone who does not want Hindi videos and like is not comfortable with Hindi, he does not understand it well, so just tell me in the comments, like for particular videos. Like I'll not, my plan is that whenever someone tells me like this video was in Hindi and we want in this one in English, or this one was in English and we want it in Hindi, so I'll just make it particularly. But if that thing is like make all of them, so I would just say sorry or no, as because I can't be doing this much things. And like in some of my videos I showed you the last world which has been got corrupted and after that erased from my PC, so on those video I can't make them again as they're already deleted. Like I can't just go to the past. Okay, so let us just start. I'll just first take you to my mines. Then why did I take this axe? Like I was going to get some seeds and take off some logs, but now I want to go for mining. Yeah, as I love mining. Mining is the greatest thing. Like taking off trees and that on, you just get apples. But if you do this all, it's just so good. Okay, so let me show you my mines. Like they're not the mines I've made, they're natural mines. Like they were already inside and I just inserted my torches, and on the first or second day, like on both the days, I just killed off all the monsters. As after that, whenever I'm mining, they don't disturb me. and after that I've completed those. Yeah. So you will be thinking that my minds go all the way. Oh, thought this was a creeper. Yeah. You will be thinking that my minds go all the way till here only. So no. My special mind goes all the way to like I haven't just explored these two, 1 and 2. No, wait, where was I? Yeah, I haven't explored this one and this one as because they're a bit creepy, like but I went to this one as because I got into the greed of getting more O's in here, as because this was the most deepest mine I have found till now. So I thought that more the deeper you go, more the O's you find. Okay, so now right now I'm going back up there. You will be thinking why. So it's just because I want to get some torches, and I don't want to do all the work down there. So I'll just make more of these. More of these. Where are my torches? Like, don't I have any coal left? What, man? Like, there's always so much coal around, and today, like when I wanted, there's no coal. Like, this is now just like cheating. Yeah. So my mind passage is must be yeah. Here are some of those coal ores. Like there are plenty of them to make myself comfortable with those. Let me just take off these. Yeah. Now this is good. Is this much enough? Yeah. I think so. So let's just make some torches first. Yeah. And now we can go down peacefully. Like I'm a bit afraid of going down every time as because they're just too deep to go. And also one more thing, I haven't cleared off all the moisture in that part. Yeah. So that's also a problem. And the third problem is, as it is inside the earth, it has lots of lava and lava. Like it's almost like nether only, but isn't like so much scary and doesn't have gas or like those old days. Oh man, I just got 2 hearts. Okay, so I have got into my mines. They are this much deep, like they're too much deep. Okay, so as you can see, this was whole lava place. After that, I just like inserted all of those cobblestone and just stopped this. After that, there was some water flows also in here, so I just connected them with these lava, and I got such a beautiful obsidian. Yeah, and I'll mine them, but they're just too hard. Yeah, I was just going to die. Okay, so my next destiny is into here. This place is a bit dark, and whoa, I have my sword of Bane of Arthropods, like it's enchanted. He is also enchanted with something, like I don't know with what, but he is. Like this place is a bit scary now, man. Let's see. I also don't want more of those monsters to come out of here, so I'll just stop this way also. Like this much will be enough. Yeah. And this way too, like it looks too much scary now. Okay. This much? Okay, I don't have enough. I'll just take some cobblestone from here. Yeah, this much should be enough. Okay. Perfect. Perfect and done. So I'll be just going into this one, like this passage. As I think there is lava. Wow. I was thinking about lava only. And there's also some steel though. I don't know. Wow. I'm just so lucky. Okay, so there was this much. No, there's more. Yeah, there's more. There's lots of them. Yeah. So I think I'll need to just take this out. This one too. Is there something left? Yeah, there's something in here. Oh, there's like lot of iron ore in here. Wow, there's also a lava in here. Like lots of lava. I don't know. Yeah, it was iron ore. Okay, so I need some cobblestone. Like sometimes you needed to build something like a wall to face off some lava. Like you just need some for emergency or your normal uses. Like right now, I need them to stop this full volcano. Like not a volcano, this lava flow. And I don't even want it to be touching me. Yeah, now I'm good. All good. Whoa, there's just so much of this gold, but I don't want it. It's of no use now. Like it's just for noobs. Yeah. Oh, there's redstone. This is a very useful thing. Okay, so this is also a bit creepy in here. Hey, my XP got into the lava. Now that is no fair. Like who said that? Ha. Like whenever you mine redstone, once you like observe it, like uh, just go to creative mode, get some redstone ore, and after that go to creative mode, like sorry, survival mode, and check it out. And you will just observe. Then whenever the redstone is like this only, it remains red. But whenever you are mining it, it gets changed to blue color. Yeah, like that's a bit different also and awkward, I can say. Yeah. Okay, so it just looks like as same as diamonds because its color and texture like of coal, diamonds and redstone. They all are the same. Like iron ore is also the same. I don't know like too much about that. Okay, this is a new passage I've been just like right now. Someone is okay. I don't know. I just explored this passage with you. Like I hadn't been exploring it, but when I started recording, so I got this. And now you'll be thinking that how did I get the emeralds? So I only got one emerald, and that also I got like off screen when I was not on the screen. Okay, so I'm just going to die. Yeah, I'm just left with one. Oh, I need to go back. I'm just too scared right now. There's also, I don't know. Like, what can I do? I also have the greed. I'll just put these in here. So there's a uh, a kind of. Oh, there's more. Like, why don't I see? Didn't I see it earlier? Like, why did I have to just see it right now only? Okay, so let's just get back home before it gets too late for us to get back. Okay, so where was my way back? Yeah, this was my way back. Yeah, here only I found the emeralds. I don't want to show it right now as I am too low on HP. No, not on HP, on food health. I will say it as FP. Yeah, it is my word. Yeah, I made my own Minecraft word. Okay, FP. I'm low on FP. The full form will be food health. Yeah, FP. No, there's a P. HP. Like what does P means? Health and health points. Yeah, health points. I think so. Yeah. Okay. So health points. So there will be food points. Yeah, this will be great. Okay, so where is my this is my way back. I always forget that. Okay, so I just wish that it isn't night time or it will be just too bad for me as I am also low on FP and also on HP. It is night time. So I need to run. I can't just defend myself nor can I attack. And I can't even sprint right now. I don't even want to sprint. That's because when you sprint, your FP goes down really fast, and when you like just walk, it goes really slowly down. And so that's why only. Okay, so I just need steak or whatever right now I'm having. I'll just have a baked potato, two baked potatoes. Yeah. So there was so much of, I don't know, you guys you just saw it on your own. I just want to go back, but I can't go right now. And like I have realized one thing, like it's just like what can we say, nothing here. like I've observed one thing, that before you go anywhere, you first have to mm, get some food with you. Yeah. As because if you won't get your food with you, you're going to just die. Like always. Like not always, like it isn't like all the players get killed by food only. Like most of the players get killed by what? Yeah, you all know, monsters. Okay, so let's just get down my mines. Okay guys, so now I'm back where I started, and here's the iron ore. As I remember, because I just inserted these torches right in here, so I'll be not going to destroy all the torches, as I also need a light way, like so you can see all the things properly. This like just so much of this. I will know, like where are we going? Like there's nothing. Yeah. Let's just get back in here. Where were we? Like we were in here. Yeah. Last time were we here? I don't recognize this place. I now recognize. Like if I don't even recognize, I'll still be here. Because there's I don't know in here. Okay, I've got it. Is this something more? Like I don't want to just explore more in here. It's because this place is a bit creepy now. It's because it is underground. I can't even take risk. No, I don't want coal. Okay, so what do we do next? Whoa! Like my screen just got hanged and made me see on a place I don't want to see. Like there is all cobblestone and cobblestone. But then only I realized that there was so much of treasure in here. Wow, thank you. Like really, Minecraft. Like it was just like you just saw it on you, like how my screen got so fastly onto the other side, as I was saying, and then only like it just switched and came onto a screen, and then low full. Oh, there's more. Wow, like now I remember all. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, 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 no. Get me out of this place. Oh man, I'm just going to die. I just suffocated in a wall. Yeah, like it's usual with me. I always get into it like this only. I'll just get back there. Okay, yeah, so I'm back. And when I came back here, only one piece of iron ore was here. And it's good that it is gravel, and which is like not like the others. What can I just say, man? I don't even have a pickaxe right now. What will I do? I'm just like no one. Yeah. So we need to get something very fast. Okay, so I'll just get on to creative one. Yeah, like I'm cheating because this game cheated on me. Yeah, I will say that only because gravel just came like out of nowhere. That is cheating. Like really. Hey, which came back. Yeah, this was the right place. Yeah, now I'll show you all. Like I only know for oh yeah, I've got them all. They were all stuck in here only. I'll still just explore a bit more. Yes, because I just want to see what was in it. Like, just leave this. Like, this only. We'll just leave this. As I don't want to get stuck again. Okay, and now, I was just so near the volcano, the lava. I was just going to die. And we're full on FP and HP. FP is a bit like awkward word. Like, whatever we can do. Okay, let's get up in here. Like, are my videos a bit of boring? Like, I also think that I'm just like a parrot, always like keeping talking, which makes me a bit boring and a bit of, we can say, fun. Yeah, we can say that. Okay, so I don't know. Yeah, and I don't want it to be like night time right now, as because I've been doing so much of mining, and at last I have got 19 iron ore. Yeah, it's morning time, like it's daytime, but it's going to be like right now it's noon time, and it's going to be evening or night time soon, so I don't want to be here. There's a spider. I'll just kill him after some time. So I'm also having some Andenstein, which is very strong, and I will just need it for my. Okay, so many people think that Andenstein and Ravel is the same in like when we see it at that time. So today I'll just clear that doubt. So how do we like recognize that what is Andenstein and what is gravel? Gravel is the one which is like too much blackish and having these types of pattern like L pattern. Can you see this? This part. On this part there is L shape. And when we talk about on Andestein, it's what can we say? Its pattern. It's just like a snake. Like it makes some loops. Yeah, loops. It makes loops, and it looks a bit whitish. As you can see, like the both of them looks the same, and but if you see both of them like very particularly, so you will see that these one have the L shaped design and these one have the loop shaped design. The second thing is that they both are different in color also, like this is a bit blackish and grayish, this one is a bit silverish and whitish. So let's get in. Right now it is much more better. Where's that spider? Hey, he's in here. Like now I need to kill him. Here's my Bane of Orthopods. Hey, why are you out? Just come to me. He's running away from me, you see? I'm the king of this world. Like, yeah. Like, how do people just get some type of potion or poison by my what can we say, my sword? Like, can you tell me in the comments that what does the Bane of Orthopods do basically, as I don't know. Like, I also clear your doubts, you also tell me. I just put this back in here. Okay, so I'll just check on my furnace. Is it done yet? I've just got all of this. Yeah, and I'm also having some of these more iron, but I'm not having enough coal. Like, that is a joke now. Okay, so I think that I'll just stop my video until here only. In next video I'll show that how I'll be making iron golem in my world to protect me and many more things. So till then, take care and bye.